Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dance with Anne Leslie, also known as UKCowgirldancing. Yes, I have a name now. Anyway, today I'm going to do the tutorial to Itsy Bitsy Spider dance, also known as Muddy Muddy. It's a 32-count, 4-wall dance choreographed by John Dembiec, and the music is the Muddy Muddy by DEMUN JONES. So I'll get right to it. It's a beginner dance. So we're going to start with a step and tap on the diagonal 4 times, right, left, right, left. Right leg goes diagonal, we step and tap, left leg step, tap the right, right leg diagonal, tap, left leg diagonal, and tap. Those are your first 8 counts. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do the same thing going back diagonally with the right foot leading. Back with the right, tap left, and then the right, and then the left. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, first 16 counts. Here we go. Step and tap and step and tap and step and tap and step and tap and back and tap and back and tap and back and tap and back and tap. In my demo, which I have done, you'll sometimes see me do on the ones forward, doing a little hitch back, just for a little bit of variety. That is not the choreography, it's just my own styling. All right, the next set of 8 counts, we're going to do a grapevine to the right, take the right foot out, to the side, left behind, right foot out to side, tap the left one in, let's repeat it to the left. Left out, right behind, left out, tap. One more time, side, behind, side, tap, side, behind, side, tap. And that's our grapevine, and grapevines are in so many dances, so learn it, easy peasy. With the counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go from the top. Ready, we have. Right leg, step tap, going up to the front then, taking it back. Step tap 4 times. Now we do the grapevine. Side behind, side tap, side behind, side tap. And the last set of 8 counts. We're going to stamp the right foot down. Hold for 2. So we go 1, 2, stamp the left, 3, hold for 4, and then we're going to do a jazz box with a 1/4 of a turn. We're going to cross the right over, stepping on it. Do a little 1/8 of a pivot turn with the left, step the right out to the side, and bring the left one in together. One more time. We are going to stamp with the right, hold, stamp, hold, cross right, diagonal back, and together. The counts on that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is a nice, easy beginner dance to learn. All right, let's do wall 2. We have step diagonal tap, diagonal tap, diagonal tap, take it back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Grapevine, step behind, step tap, step behind, step tap, stamp and hold, cross, back, side, together. Wall 3, coming forward. Step and tap and step and tap. You can put your own styling in. Take it back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Grapevine right. Step behind, step tap. Step behind, step tap. A stamp and a hold, a stamp and a hold, and a box. 2, 3, 4. Step, tap, hold 4. And taking it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Grapevine right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A stamp, hold, and a box. 2, 3, 4. And that's all the way around. Fun music. Really gets you going. It's a good starter for a party. And well, I will sign off. I have done the demo to it, so look for it under Dance with Anne Leslie, under the Itsy Bitsy Spider. So subscribe if you want to have all my videos in the same place, if you like the way I teach. So share, like, and I will see you soon.